In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a blue tick in Telegram. If you've been building a presence on Telegram and want that verified badge, here is exactly how to approach it. What Telegram expects, and how to submit your request the right way. First, make sure your channel, group, or bot is truly official, large, and highly active. Telegram prioritizes entities that are clearly the primary presence of a public figure, brand, organization, or widely recognized project. Large generally means you've grown a substantial audience, not just a few hundred followers. And highly active means you post consistently and your community engages regularly. Keep your branding consistent across your name, profile photo, and description so it's obvious that your Telegram presence is the same entity people know elsewhere. Next, gather credentials that prove your identity and notability outside Telegram. Prepare links to your verified profiles on other major platforms: Instagram, Twitter or X, TikTok, YouTube, and similar. You should also compile links to credible media coverage, such as articles, interviews, or features from recognized outlets. Put all these URLs in one place so you can paste them quickly. Double-check that every link is publicly viewable, that the names match your Telegram presence, and that any verification badges on those platforms are visible without logging in. Strong, clear documentation makes the review process smoother. When you are ready, start the verification process by contacting FayVerifyBot directly in the Telegram app. Open Telegram, search for FayVerifyBot, and start a chat. This is the official path for verification, so use the exact handle. The bot will guide you through each prompt. Follow the bot's instructions carefully. You'll be asked for the link to your channel, group, or bot, and for proof of verification from other platforms. Provide clean, direct links, avoid link shorteners, and make sure the entity you submit is accessible, so reviewers can see its content and activity. If you have multiple profiles on other platforms, include the ones that are verified and best aligned with the name and branding of your Telegram presence. If you have notable media coverage, add 2 or 3 authoritative examples that clearly identify you or your organization. After you submit, the review is handled by Telegram. Processing times can vary, and approvals are not guaranteed. While you wait, keep your Telegram presence active and consistent, because ongoing activity supports your case. If the request is declined, strengthen your public proof and visibility outside Telegram. Continue growing your audience and engagement, and try again when your documentation is clearer and more comprehensive. That's the process. Thanks for watching.